Amit Shah will go down in history as not only one of the youngest home ministers of the country, one of the most successful home ministers of the country and the first cooperative minister of the country, but also as a very, very successful party president for the Saffron Party. At an age of 18, Amit Shah in fact started going to RSS Shakha Mast against the opposition of his family, which was largely very, very Congress, including his mother being a staunch, Gandhian follower as well. But apart from that, he in fact had drawn his inspiration to join the RSS and work for the RSS cause, at the inspiration of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who he ran into in the 1980s as well. After that, he came to the ABP and held multiple portfolios as well. Of course, from there, his political journey always took a turn up when he in fact joined Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government from the year 2002 to 2012. Held multiple portfolios, including the portfolio of home and of course the portfolio of transport in that government as well. In between, he quoted a number of controversies with the fact that he was accused of a fake encounter in Gujarat and was sent to jail in 2010 as well. But of course, fortune once again shone upon him while the BJP decided to announce Prime Minister Modi's name as the Prime Minister candidate in 2013. That was when the Union Defence Minister, currently Rajnath Singh, then the party president, had in fact decided to bring Amit Shah's services to the centre, given the fact that he was very, very impressed with his skills of organization and organization related work as well. And that's when Amit Shah in 2013 was made the General Secretary of the party, given the responsibility to the key state of Uttar Pradesh as well. He in fact delivered the results successfully, scoring 73 out of 80 seats in the 2014 general elections, and in fact propelling Prime Minister Narendra Modi to come to power in a huge majority as well. In 2014, right after the Lok Sabha elections, Amit Shah was then made the party president, and of course after that everybody says that's history, because Amit Shah not only honed the party skills, helped them reach uncharted territories, including scoring victories in many northeastern states, including Tripura, a bastion of the left, which was breached after a good 2 decades plus as well. And that is something which Amit Shah also has to his credit, apart from the victory in 2017, which he was also able to claim as a huge part of his credit as well. As far as the country's home minister is really concerned, Amit Shah has to his credit the abrogation of Article 370, the conceiving of the abrogation of Article 370, to the fact the planning and the execution is something which Amit Shah was able to do extremely successful, and probably that's been a change as far as India's chapter is concerned, as far as the state of Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, which has recently just had its first assembly elections in a decade. Apart from that, the passing of the Citizen Amendment Act is also something which Amit Shah has to his credit as well. But it seems that politics did not leave Amit Shah's side, and despite the fact that he of course was replaced as the party president by JP Nadda, Amit Shah's qualities as a able organization person has come very, very handy for the BJP on multiple occasions, including in the recent Haryana elections, where he of course was of the firm belief that localized elections need to take place, a booth connect needs to take place, and that's something which of course the BJP was able to put to good use, and Haryana results stunned everyone as well. As far as Amit Shah's interests are concerned, many people in fact call him the Chanakya of the modern day politics, somebody who's got extremely wily skills when it comes to organization, wily skills when it comes to electioneering, and of course election planning as well. And that's something which is come in very, very, very handy for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who he considers to be one of his closest aides, and of course considers him to be his confidant of sorts as well. So obviously Amit Shah, from the tender age of about 48 or 49 when he came to the centre, now completes 60 years, and of course he has a whole story to tell about the way in which he's been able to not only help the BJP grow from strength to strength, from region to region, from places that was unthinkable, to the fact that he now in fact is noted for his commitment to the national security, commitment to the internal security of the country, and most importantly still considers to be somebody who the party workers and of course the party brass think is going to be a torchbearer as far as commitment to ideology is really concerned. As Amit Shah turns 60, of course a new leaf in his career will now be seen, given the fact that he has a number of tasks up ahead for him. In the upcoming few days, you have the Maharashtra elections, which of course a huge battle for the NDA to fight as far as this state is really concerned, and of course Jharkhand, where he is extremely confident that the party will be able to deliver its results. So amongst the high points have been what Amit Shah has been able to do for the party, not only as a party president but even as a home minister as well, helping solving the border issues in multiple northeastern states, especially Assam, Arunachal, Manipur amongst the others as well. And that's something which of course he takes to his credit with his commitment that he will be solving the border issues away before the next term of the Prime Minister really ends as well. So party workers are joyant, they are very, very happy, and they all taking to social media to wish Amit Shah, calling him multiple names, right from calling him Chanakya to, of course, calling him, an inspiration. That's something which Amit Shah has been able to witness, the kind of love that he's been able to witness, not only from his own party workers in this party cadre, but also from the opponents who cannot dismiss his presence, who cannot dismiss his political acumen, given the fact. Of course, in his free time, Amit Shah is, of course, an absolute family man who loves to spend time with his family, especially his grandchildren, and is often seen spending time with them, in fact, playing game of chess as well. But otherwise speaking, Amit Shah is a great cricket buff. He has a great interest in cricket and can often be seen watching cricket matches as well. But of course, a packed schedule, right from every day, including today when it's his birthday. Amit Shah is a man of commitment, is what the BJP workers will swear by.